Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Jenny Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about another Dr. Dennis Gross product. If you have been following me, you know that I'm a big fan of the Dr. Dennis Gross brand. And it's the Dr. Dennis Gross Universal Alpha Beta Pill that got me started into proper skincare. Another product by Dr. Dennis Gross. He's come up with a new range of products and he calls them DermInfusions. The ingredients are really impressive. And I've just got a sample of one of the products of the DermInfusion range. And this DermInfusion is supposed to target fine lines and wrinkles from developing and just plump and firm your skin. So what I'm holding here is a 7 ml sample of his DermInfusion 3D Visible Fill and Repair Serum. And the real product is 30 ml. This is 7 ml. For 30 ml, it is $148 here in New Zealand from the Mecca Stores in Australia and New Zealand. So the Mecca Stores in New Zealand and Australia stocks the full range of all Dr. Dennis Gross products. I mean, the ingredients for this product is quite impressive. So let me read the ingredients to you. Straight away, I could see 4 peptides, acetyl hexapeptide 8, palmitoid tripeptide 1, palmitoid tetrapeptide 7, oligopeptide 2. It's got bakuchiol, which acts just like retinol, glutathione, green leaf extract, white tea extract. It's got 3 ceramide. It's got ceramide NP, ceramide AP, ceramide EAP. It's got multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid needs to come in different weights and different sizes. Then it can penetrate deeper into your skin and your skin can get the most benefit. So if you have a product that has got multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, that's better for you. And often they also comes with a high price tag. So it's got sodium hyaluronate, hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate, sodium acetylated hyaluronate. It's got niacinamide, glycerin, mushroom extract, kakadu plum extract. Kakadu plum is a native fruit from Australia and is very high in vitamin C. Glycolic acid, mandelic acid, lactobionic acid. So yeah, when it comes to any of Dr. Dennis Gross products, they're not that basic. He always makes sure he's got a real set of good active ingredients. So as you can see, it's just a very soft, pearlish colored gel. It's got a very neutral scent. There's no perfume in any of Dr. Dennis Gross products. So whatever you smell here is all the ingredients in there. It absorbs very easily, very quickly. Yeah, I do like using this product. And what I use it, because this is such a pricey product, I mean, the actual product is $148 for 30 ml. Yes, the Dr. Dennis Gross products are not cheap here in New Zealand. They're all over $100, but they're all very well formulated. I highly recommend them. If that price bracket is not a problem to you, then I highly recommend any of Dr. Dennis Gross products. So this one here, being so pricey, I put a dot on my lips because I find that as I age, I'm starting to form lines on my lips. And I use dots all around my eyes. And seriously, I can see the lines fading on my lips. I no longer have that thinning lips. I notice it has really plumped up my lips and faded the wrinkles and fine lines, at least stop more fine lines and wrinkles forming around my eyes. It has done 2 things for me. It's plump up my lips, make it more full, and stop the lines from forming, and just stop any more wrinkles from forming under my eyes here. So yeah, I do like this product. Really, this is another exceptional product by Dr. Dennis Gross. And when you look at the ingredients list, it's just jam-packed with peptides, ceramides, multi-molecular weight hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and a whole lot of other super anti-aging ingredients. And you know what? If it is too expensive to be spread all over your face, I recommend you use this for your lips and for your eyes. And that will just stop your lips from thinning out, stop the fine lines and wrinkles from forming under your eyes. So this product is a gem, and it does sort of fill, he calls it the derm infusion. So it sort of does fill up all those cracks and lines on your skin and plump them up. Yeah, I'm highly impressed with this product. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And if you have any questions, please list them down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.